Worrying about your heating bill this winter? I'll tell you how to avoid overspending and extend battery life. Firstly, always use window seals that reduce heat loss. Also, make sure that all door and window cracks are sealed. Secondly, distribute heat efficiently. Direct heat into the rooms where you spend the most time. Ventilate rooms briefly to avoid losing a lot of heat. Carpets on the floors and thick curtains on the windows will help retain heat. Thirdly, install a programmable thermostat to automatically regulate temperature and save energy. Maintain optimal temperature. Keep the temperature at 18 to 20 degrees when you are at home and lower it when you are away or sleeping. Don't forget that using portable heaters will cost you a lot and their efficiency is very low. Think twice before using them. By following this advice, you can save up to 50%, and this is not small money. Technologies don't stand still, and the newest type of heating is heating using infrared rays, which heat only objects and people without wasting energy. This makes this type of heating the most effective today. Heating is always expensive, but thanks to this video you will save a significant amount of money.